Welcome to Meg's Kitchen, and our Meg's meal for today is it's not a meal, it's a Jello shots. And for our ingredients for Jello shot, it's any hard liquor like rum, gin, vodka, and Jello. You can also use our local gelatin in the Philippines. You need 1 cup of hot water. Mix your Jello into the hot water. Mix it well. Make sure there's no lumps. It has to be smooth. Check it. Perfect. Any hard liquor. For us, we use Smirnoff vodka. So you put half, or you can use the full cup of vodka. If you decided to have a half strength, just put half vodka and half cold water. Mix it well again. There you go. Now it's ready to be poured into your cups. Just carefully pour into the cups. Pour on whatever desired amount you want to put in your cups. It takes about 4 hours to solidify the Jello. So let's recap the recipe. So for an 85 grams of Jello, you need 1 cup of hot water, and then 1 cup of vodka, or half cold water, half vodka, or any liquor you want. It's up to you if you want to put lid on each Jello shot. It's just I don't have enough space in my fridge, so I needed to delete them so I can put more on top of each Jello shot. After that, place them in the fridge for 4 hours. Okay, there you go. It's gonna stay there for 4 hours. 4 hours later. There you go. Now we can party. Shot. So cool and fun. Enjoy your Jello shots. Hope you like that video of my Jello shot. And if you like it, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.